Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to prepare for the Echo of Ancients festival that's coming up in about a week in Heartopia. So for the recipe, it isn't 100% confirmed, but just do this. You will need to harvest apples and blueberries for the fruits that are just free and around town. And you also need to plant strawberries and harvest them as well. So those fruits are the ones you need that I've heard so far, the blueberries and apples and strawberries. I'm not sure if you need the tangerines or the raspberries yet, but if you want to harvest them, you can, just for future festivals as well. But since I don't have a lot of blueberries and apples, I'm just going to harvest these ones. And don't forget about the strawberries. And the other one, I believe it's the cactus pear. I don't know. But if you see it on the picture, this is what the food will look like later. You can see some apples, some blueberries, some strawberries as well. And yeah, that is what you need to prepare for the next festival. It's going to come out on August 29, I believe. So very soon. We're still in the last Call of Whales week, so this is the last week of it, and we're already getting a new event. So I'm pretty excited. So yeah, that is what you need to prepare for the Echo of Ancients Festival. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.